You're welcome again. My name is Christian. My brand is actually Chris Graphics. I think in the last class you saw, the last video you saw, someone shouted my name, Chris Graphics, instead of Egbe Christian. So you might be wondering, well, why they calling him Chris Graphics? That's my brand, and that's what many people know me with that brand. All right, so that's it. Okay, you'd want to connect with me on Facebook. Egbe Christian is my name. I think my face should be somewhere familiar if you see it, or you can write search for Chris Graphics on Facebook, and we'll get to connect. All right, so my phone number and everything, it's actually open for connection. Everything, if you have questions and everything, anything you have, just reach out to me. Feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be very grateful to be of benefit to you, your business, and what you do. Okay, if you want to advertise your business through Facebook, Instagram ads, I'm pretty much available. I just hope this has not stopped. Okay, sorry. Okay, we stopped at this. So we're finished with the text aspects of our products. The next thing is to choose the category of the product. The category of a product, you can see a lot of categories here of those digital products, marketing and sales. It's actually graphic design. We have media, yes, content and media. All right, content and subcategory of this content and media, graphic design. Yes, because let me check again. Music, audio, no, it's graphic design, it's not video. So this product has multiple variants. That means you have different packages, different sizes, different colors, and all of that. Well, for ebook, we don't really have that. So if you have that, you can add the variant so that the person can choose. You can add a variant. Now if you add the variants, you are not telling the person this product has another version of itself. All right, and now this version one, you can name it. All right, so it's not too needed. All right, if it doesn't have variations, it doesn't need it. You can show image variants on the store, size, colors, and all of that. So you can choose. Okay, let's say ebook 2. The person will get to check and see ebook 2. If you say this variant affects the price, that means that price, that 3,000 you set, this is going to be affected. All right, so you now cannot set your additional costs. All right, for this variant too. So if I say 1,000, so everything is going to be 4,000 now. So the person will be paying 4,000, and you have to deliver two different products to the person. Or you can say add variant and all of that. So I think that is that for this variants. It's just actually like a different version of the products. All right, so I've not really been using it, so I think, let me be frank with you, I've not really been using it. So I've used it once, but I've not been using it frequently like that. All right, so that's that. But to show different packages of kind of the same products. All right, so or you're selling something in two packs. Yeah, they are coming in two. You can put this, and this is not going to allow the user to pay for one only. All right, so they are coming in two packs, and this, you can see, this actually affects the price. This second version of it adds 1,000 to it, so the person is going to see it and is going to know, I've used it before, but I think I've used it just once. All right, for one of my I was doing a birthday discount, and I added a video course on smart graphic design and video course on CorelDRAW. So I merged two of them together and sold at a very low price, and I actually used it. All right, so that was when I used it. My birthday is June 13th, so that was when I used it. All right, so yeah, that's that. So you can, if it doesn't affect the price, you can uncheck this. All right, you can show image on the store. size, color. You can just try it out and see how it works. All right, I think this product doesn't have a variant. Now, more details. um More details about the products, digital products. um this product is a pre-order product. All right, so if it's a pre-order means you are paying, you are pre-ordering a product. All right, so the person will pay, and in advance. Even if it's not a pre-order product, you're going to pay in advance. All right, so you pre-order, so you are now saying I'm paying before the product gets ready. Like, okay, I've not launched this maybe this ebook yet, but I want you to pay in advance and secure a spot, like, I don't know, secure a copy. Yes, so that's going to be a pre-order. You can click it, and all right, so you now set the release dates. Okay, so this is on the pre-order, so that's that. So even at this point, you can change the the type of product. So you can change it to physical products, so you can now add the available quantity. I think that's just the difference between the physical and the digital product. So you can just put the available quantity, so that's the difference. So even at this point, from that beginning, so we are not going to go to the route of creating another product that will be a physical product, because you can see just the difference here. So that's that. Then cross sales and upsells. So these cross sales and upsells, to upsell means you're going to bring another product to recommend up to 4 different products instantly. All right, so this upsell of increasing prices, that's for pro users. And then to cross sell. All right, to cross sell is to, you can show up to 4 other products. I've used this cross sell before, so this one is free, you can use it. So if you have other products, you can just let's say manage cross sell. You can just search the product. There's no product here yet, so because this is actually a new account I'm creating, so I was thinking I have product. You can just add products such that when somebody is buying this particular product, this ebook, he or she will see suggestions of other products that you have created below. All right, below the ebook, he or she will see the other this thing below the ebook, and he or she will be given opportunity to, okay, if he likes the other ones, he can click it, and then to still bring out a full page of those other products. He can buy this and buy that, and you'll be making more sales. That's what cross sales does. All right, so I think that's that. So advanced setting, this is where we are going to be ending this video, and then in the next video I'll show you how you can direct the person to your WhatsApp automatically. All right, this is going to be where we are going to stop for product listing. Yes, for the product listing on Selar. Okay, so this advanced, the call to action, you can say, okay, get your copy now. All right, so this is going to be a call to action. So once the person clicks the link, we're going to show get your copy now. Hide this product from my home store homepage. No, so it has to be there on the homepage. I recommend that you leave it on the home page. Require delivery or shipping address on checkout. So if this is not a digital product, if it's a physical product, then you would need to check this so that the person will impute the location that he is paying, he's staying, the place is staying, so that you can deliver to the person. All right, so I think that's that. I think it's explanatory enough. So please make sure some of these things I'm just saying, they are very, very pivotal. They're important, so that you don't miss. Just make sure you listen carefully, watch diligently, and listen carefully to all the videos before you start creation. And when you're confused, go back to all the videos and watch again more diligently. You are going to understand. And if you have challenges, like I've said, you reach out to me. All right, so more details. So we are going to start just trying to play around this. So I've set all those ones. So we're going to start from here in the next video. All right.